Well, you guys, I'm making a new video today.
Whoa.
What? Come on! We gotta get wet. I'm getting kind of wet too. But look! Look at those trees! Look at that! Look at Papa! On the bed. This feels good. I'm not gonna get that wet from like over here. I'm kind of getting wet. But I like it. It feels good. Huh? Oh my gosh, I took a chair, so I'm gonna stand up my tablet up on something. Hey. On the floor? No, someone should like step on that. I don't know where to like standing. No, I think it'd be okay if this part's like all like wet.
You wanna go get inside and get some
Yeah. So I can stand up my
get
tablet.
some paper towel and then get some of the newspaper that's on here. So you can sit on the newspaper.
No, I'm trying to stand up my tablet up.
Oh.
Oops, sorry, I don't want to like record you. I'm putting it on YouTube.
No, because I have to wash my hair.
Thank you, Papa. Okay.
I told you to go outside.
No, I have to go get some newspapers and stuff. Guys, this is back camera. Oops. Okay, so we got some of this.
What do you do? Only need one piece. I told you to go outside with it.
I need two. I'm not drying my thing. My thing is kind of like soaking wet.
Ain't no go back outside with it.
Yes, I am.
Okay, go this. Get wet.
I'm not gonna.
Hey. Go. You know this? Go.
Can you stop yelling at me, please?
Okay, Yellow. You don't listen, so.
I am not hard-headed.
Okay then, okay. We need to get in your room again.
Don't be like. Oh, I'm gonna show you if I stay outside long enough. This thing's not destroyed. I'll tell you. You guys, he's freaking like yelling at me, so I'm going outside so they're like the freaking rain. Seriously. Mom, Papa's just like yelling at me for going outside of my town like the freaking rain. He's just yelling at me constantly. Over and over and over.
I know, honey. I asked him to get me tampons this morning, and he went on for 20 minutes about how I should have gotten them 2 days ago when I was at the store.
That was Thursday.
I know.
In my player capture day, I was probably playing Eden. Guys, look at the rain. No one's not gonna step on me. Look at that rain. I'm not gonna look all the way to like rain. This rain is so fantastic, seriously. I spit in my tablet all the time.
Oh, that's great news, honey.
When I'm like laughing, I accidentally spit on it.
Her name is Apollonia.
Oops, sorry, Mommy. Look at that car. Hold on. Let me look at that. That rain. It's raining so fast, you guys. Seriously. That's why I got this so that my tablet's but I can just whoop. Oh my gosh, stop recording her, seriously. See, my tablet's not gonna get destroyed. Whoa! Whoa, there you go, another light. Where's like the lightning going? How loud those clouds are. Look at that.
Rumbling.
Okay.
You need more alcohol.
I'm thinking that
I'm gonna.
that you have to put girls family because I don't know like
Okay.
I'm putting like the wrong spots of me and I don't want to like keep my throat hurting. Brush your
Look
like.
in your throat, make sure you don't got stuff throat. But I don't think you did because you're pretty active.
Oh my gosh! Look at that! It's lighting up there. Hold on, Ray. I love your clothes. I wish I had. I like that black shirt. It says I'm not lazy. I'll wear that shirt probably at school this week. This is cool. You guys, it's raining today. Oh my gosh, hate when my throat's freaking hurting. Look at that. Oh my gosh, stop doing that. I keep accidentally recording you, seriously. 3:13? We're going outside? Are you tired, Mom?
You need to clean that up. You can do it. It's not a big deal.
Don't forget about me. He does know that. He does know that my head hurt. I told him that head was hurting. He got me no medicine.
Your head hurts too?
Yeah.
I'll give you some.
I've been having that since like Thursday. Eden had her headache on Thursday too. Not like Eden. When Eden was closing my eyes, I closed my eyes. My friend Eden.
Okay, honey. This has nothing to do with her.
Okay, but she's awesome.
Okay.
But she's amazing.
Okay, open your mouth.
She's cool.
Ah. Say ah.
Ah.
No, open your mouth and say ah.
Hold on. Ah.
Open it. Yeah, I know it burns a little bit.
Ew. What is that?
It's throat spray.
It's not front camera's back. Can I record you?
No.
Okay, I am.
Sonia, please. I haven't brushed my hair.
Come on, brush your hair then.
I don't feel like brushing my hair right now.
Come on, that's why you're brushing it. Your brush.
Sweetie, let go of me.
Why? I love you, man. I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye for the rain video. Cause there's only rain. Bye. Wait. Hope he's not gonna feel like yelling because I have to like open my window up to like end this freaking video. Bye, you got. Gosh. Bye, you guys.